All right, so here we have our 370 cubic inch LY6 hot rod engine. This engine makes between 450 and 530 horsepower and is a great, hot rod package as far as not being too radical, having good sounding idle, working well in heavier cars because the power is down low because the camshaft is not as big in this particular engine. So it is built up of just a nice lineup of parts. Got a GM 6-liter cast iron block, brand new GM crank, forged piston, forged rod, all BTR Valvetrain. Features our Golen Engine LS CNC-ported heads that we actually 5-axis CNC port here in house. As far as the externals, we're setting up with the Billet Wegner Front Drive. This is the black with the diamond cut. They do offer a polished option, and there's also some anodizing, some different colors. They do like red and blue, so we can customize that front drive kit to look the way you want it. In this case, we use the GM LS3 factory intake manifold with the drive-by-wire throttle body. If you have a different, intake in mind, just let us know. We can, customize that, as well as the valve covers. Valve cover wise, there's a bunch of different choices on that. These engines, come dyno tested. So we'll actually run this engine for a few hours, do a full break-in, go through, do sweep test, measure for horsepower and torque. At the end of that, we'll do a short, YouTube video for you, get you some dyno graphs. And from there, this engine, there's no core charge. So we're selling this engine outright to you. There's no sales tax. It comes with full tech support, comes with a 1-year warranty. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email.